My name is Glenn Thompson, Group Managing Director of Advanced Facilities Group. We are based in the UK. We have 60 employees and we've been established since 2012. Our offices are located in Maidstone, London and Warrington, and we cover nationwide. What sets us apart from our competitors is we're a one-stop shop with a broad range of services. I've got a brilliant, well-established team and our culture is more family-orientated. I started the business because I felt there was a gap in the market for a one-stop facilities services provider. I've split the business into 4 separate companies, which consists of Advanced Retail, Advanced Projects, Advanced FM and Advanced Drainage. Our primary industry is facilities maintenance. The other industries we serve are retail sector, healthcare, commercial and domestic. Our target customer is national FM providers, retail chains and healthcare providers. Our business was facing a lot of issues with using manual paperwork and it was becoming a bit of a task in our operations department. We were running our business before paper-based, which wasn't environmentally friendly and also a basic CRM system. We went to a business consultant who shortlisted 3 software companies which would work for our business, and simPRO ticked 95% of the boxes. The other 5% was the health and safety system, where we built an online health and safety system and integrated it with simPRO. We've been using simPRO for over 3 years. What we like about simPRO is a cradle-to-grave system which captures all the data and connects all of our businesses and also connects the businesses to Xero, which is our finance system. We liked the training because it was online and also it gave us flexibility for our staff to train during the day. We have the TVs within our office which is integrated to simPRO, which covers all our SLAs and KPIs for the staff to see and also monitors the rating of jobs and the raising of quotes. We have a software systems designer who is constantly adapting simPRO to our needs, and we're in the process of launching a simPRO app for the engineers to make sure the paperwork comes in more clearer. The benefits we've seen using simPRO is billable hours, increased working hours and visibility on jobs. To anyone who's looking at potentially moving to simPRO, we would say the system is value for money and integrates well with other systems. We are really happy with simPRO and how it's integrated our systems and ready for the next growth of the business.